Hello, my name is Soraya Ramos, and I am one of the assessment design partners at Envision Learning Partners. With the beginning of the school year brings new opportunities to do things a little bit differently, including the ways we assess our students. And here at ELP, we're kicking off this three-part workshop series to really leverage performance assessments as a way for students to show their brilliance and to know where they're at in their learning journey. In this three-part workshop series, Vinci Darrow, our math guru, and myself will be co-facilitating a session on defining performance assessment, offering some criteria on what makes performance assessments high quality, and also co-creating some great tasks that are really tightly aligned to your outcomes with some teams. Ultimately, we want your students to shine and to be able to bring their gifts and unique talents to the assessments that they engage in. So we invite you to come to their three-part workshop series to help design some really great performance assessment. We'll see you there.